Hi, welcome back to this February edition of What's in the Bag. I am here with the rest of the commercial baking editorial staff, and we are going to be talking about the top product launches from the last month. I will start us off. Ta-da! This is one of the newer flavors of Tate's Bake Shop's gluten-free line of their crispy cookies. This is the double chocolate chip gluten-free cookies. They also are rolling out the oatmeal raisin, I believe, in the next coming weeks. So this one is out on shelves now. This was really exciting for me because my sister is gluten-free, so I love getting to bring these products back to her and have her kind of have that little bit of indulgence. So also, I have definitely opened these and tried these, and I will say that they have the same crispy crunch that the OGs have as well. So it's not just on the outside, it's what's in the inside is also just as good. Now we're going to pass the bag over to Maddie.
Well, what else is in this bag?
Let's see.
We have Dave's Killer Bread.
But it's not bread.
It's not bread. Excellent observation.
Thank you.
So as you can see here, these breakfast bars were released in 3 flavors. We have strawberry crumble, apple cinnamon crisp, and boomin' blueberry muffin. These expand Dave's Killer Bread's current lineup from protein bars and snack bars and bread, obviously, to enter the breakfast bar category, which, as we know, is very popular right now. A lot of brands are releasing snack bars or chewy versions of bars, and they're upping the protein and fiber, which is exactly what we have here. Each bar is 3 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, with 15 grams of whole grains.
All right, so we have one last product. We have another addition to the breakfast aisle, Magic Spoon protein pastries.
Here for it.
Absolutely. So Magic Spoon, you guys have seen them on store shelves. They're more known for their granola and for their cereal and things like that. But this is their first foray into pastries, and it's one that's 3 years in the making. It's really exciting to have something that's more protein filled in the pastry aisle, and this comes in 3 different flavors. So you have your frosted strawberry, there's also a cinnamon brown sugar, and then the one we have here, which is s'mores. Well, that was a wonderful conversation. Thank you both for bringing your wonderful insights to the table. Our subscribers to the New Products newsletter see this video first, so be sure to visit commercialbaking.com to subscribe, and we will catch you next time to see what's in the bag.